That is tough. Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, anei rā, a haka feels.
Ours just make sure that everyone knows who we are.
Te whāinga matua, kia rangatira tutu, kia waganui tutu.
Hear my brother say, stop.
I want to win. I want to win.
Let's go! Anei a haka feels, te mihi atu nei.
We're going to stop down.
Nā koutou katoa, nau mai, haere mai ki tēnei tukinga whakaharahara o te whakataetai. Kia nei ko Super 8 First 15. Ko te whakataetai nei, tētahi o ngā whakataetai whitupōro kura tuarua tino kaharawa atu o Aotearoa. Ka whakakotahi ngā kura whai mana, whai hītori anō hoki. Ia wiki ki te kaha, te pūmanawa me te manawa toa o ngā kaitākoro rangatahi e whai ana i te taumata tike o te whitupōro. So kia ora and welcome to Ranganui Aikiwa. Aroha mai, my mute was on. I was speaking for so long that I didn't even know my mute was on. But welcome to Gisborne. And we're excited to bring you live action of the final round of the Super 8 competition. It's a pleasure to have your company as Gisborne Boys High School sets to take on Tauranga Boys College in what promises to be another fierce contest between two proud schools. The Super 8 competition is regarded as one of the premier first 15 competitions in Aotearoa, bringing together some of the country's most successful rugby schools. We are in the final round of the 2026 season before we get into the playoffs. This is Turangatane. Ko rātou e whakaeke ana. I was going to go through the team list again since you didn't hear me the first time, but I think you'd rather see the players here, and you'll be able to hear their names as we start play. Gisborne Boys High School, very, very proud school here in Gisborne. Mark Jefferson is their head coach. Max Hammond is their centre. Matu, e ruarua o rātou e mau ana i ngā pōtaira me te whakaatu i te manawa nui o enei kaitākoro mo tā rātou kura. Kua noho piri hongi ki tā rātou kura. I rātou e tatari ana ki ngā manuhiri nei kia Tauranga Boys College, who will make their way on the field. Ka matu ruarua hoki rātou e mau ana i o rātou pōtai. Head coach Aidan Kuka, Khan Charlton is their captain. Tauranga Boys College, 6th on the competition ladder. We've played 6 games, won 2. As we prepare for the haka, got the little mascot there that we will see year in, year out. In Gisborne Boys High School, we've got kahutia Max Leasi Flynn, Manoa, Jeremy, Maddie, Storm, Cohen, Ruan, Rory, Manawanui, Senete, Ratnari, Junior and Jake in your starting 15. In Tauranga, we've got Jacob, AJ, Isaiah, Khan, Seremaya, Herepete, Zach, Cullen, Nate, Finn, Timothy, Cohen, Matiu, Nathan and Tommy. I'll say their whānau names as we get into the game. I just wanted to be quick before the haka commences.
That should be us starting the game with a penalty, then.
Koe rā ko ngā haka e rua nā ngā kapa i tēnei rā. Gisborne Boys High to your left. Tauranga Boys College to your right. A ko ake nei timata i tēnei tukinga. Conditions here in Turanganui-a-Kiwa, Gisborne. Actually nice conditions, if I don't say so myself. We had a little bit of rain this morning here, so the pitch might be a little bit mako, a little bit damp, but it's just overcast here. Just cloudy periods at times. There's a little bit of a southwesterly though, so it's a little bit makariri, and that wind is supposed to pick up this afternoon, hopefully. It stays away until the end of this match. Hei whakamohi atu kia koutou, koe nei ko te tukinga whakamutunga o te tautākoro nei mo ngā kapa e rua nei. Te mea, nā, tū, tātou, ringa whae. Gisborne Boys High School have produced many stellar players, including the Gear brothers, Rico and Jose, Maya Nikora, Charlie Ngatai, who is now the Ngāti Pro East Coast head coach, selected to coach the team this year. And it is Gisborne Boys High School that get this game underway. Great drive there from Tauranga Boys. Who's that? It's Nate McDonald, halfback. Gets his team in a great position. Looks to the right. Engari, kei reira e tatari ana ko tētahi no te kapa o Turangatāne. Strong carry here. Nei Turangatāne. Ko Cohen te Pautoko, halfback. Junior Steny Vono there. Fast out the ruck here is Turangatāne, Gisborne Boys. Ruan Ludwig goes in. Kahoatukia stormed to third. What a strong run, Ruan Ludwig. Great turnout here in Gisborne, especially on this side of the field. Wairuatua I Neke Whakamua Te Poro knocked on, so it'll be a Tauranga Boys ball in our first scrum of the match. Nate McDonald is your halfback for Tauranga Boys. Nice kick into the 22 of Gisborne Boys. He just let it bounce there, and the bounce went Tauranga Boys' way. Beautiful kick from Tauranga. And a great chase too. We'll see them scrum the line about 7 metres in front of them. So the hard work has been done, but they'll need to penetrate this Gisborne Boys High School defence. Turn to the right, great defence. Gisborne Boys under pressure as well, and he gets the ball. Who was that? I think that was Maddie Symes there, number 7 for Turangatāne. Not out of jail yet. Yes, they are now, but what a play from Gisborne Boys under pressure. Great defence. There was some pure class defence there from Gisborne Boys. Tauranga will get the first throw in. At the moment it's been Tauranga with the majority of the ball, playing really well as well. And they caught Tauranga Boys College pass there to their fullback Tommy. This is Nathan Theron. He sees a bit of space and he's fast as well. Oh, speaking of Tommy, he chased the ball and was behind. Nathan Theron gets the first try of this match. What a try as well. Kia puki whakarunga ai at Tauranga Boys College. Tatari ana kia ki te mena ka eke rānei te whana turuki. Great vision there though. He backed himself and he had his teammate just behind him. Wairua toa kaore tērā I eke, no reira. Rima ki te kore ngata tauranga I tēnei wā ki te kapa Tauranga Boys College. A good start. Great start here from Tauranga Boys. Nei, ko whakawhiti anō I te rārangi. Kāri au te wā kia kōrero mō te kapa nei. And that one's over. Kia paki whakarunga ai Tauranga Boys. Ngā meneti e waru kotaha ake nei. That second try though, only took a few seconds. Nai, ki te ana e whiitikina na tātou e tamanui te rā I nāinei, e te puta mai a tamanui te rā. Nice take. Nai, te pupuri tonu. I think we'll go to the advantage. The referee was playing from the first knock-on, so Gizzy Boys will get the throw in here. And Tauranga Boys College half, ka hoatu kia Ruan, very dangerous player. Don't want to give him room. And they call Storm ki taku mōhio. Great defence from Tauranga Boys. Few cheers for this player, Leasi Tupo. Nice pick and go from the captain, Max Hammond. Also is halfback. And they are junior, Seni Vono, Waiwai Kakama. You don't want to give him space either. Max Hammond again, leading from the front. They take it out to the right side, and they are stormed to there. E rātau e pātata atu ana ki te rārangi piro. Bit of a fake pass at it caught our cameraman off guard. I think that was Cohen. Ko ia, ka whakawhiti te rārangi piro mo te kapa o Turangatāne. What a play there. Kia piki whakarunga ai, te hau kāinga ki te rima tatau. You'll be able to see at the back there, just behind on the gate, there's Maya Nikora with the black hat. He's a former Gisborne Boys player. He then went on to play Hurricanes development. He lived in Ireland and played rugby there in Kwahokimaia. He's come home and he works in the sporting space still, as well as helping out this Gisborne Boys High School team. Was also in the New Zealand secondary schools team back in his days. What a kick! 7 points to 12. Tauranga Boys still leading. But it's boosted the team and it's boosted the supporters here as well. What a kick. Tauranga Boys and the 22 of Gisborne Boys. Gisborne Boys will look to get out of their dangerous zone. Not out. Oh, what a kick. I reira e tatari ana te whurupeke o te kapa o Tauranga Boys. Tommy, who scored the first try out of Hamai for Tauranga Boys. Tauranga Boys pass it out. Machi te maipi. The advantage played for Tauranga Boys. Looked like he was going to blow a penalty. And Nate McDonald to Finn Curtis to Cohen Satu. Quickly out of the ruck there to Finn Curtis. Engari, I think they're going to take it back. This will be a penalty. Head high, I get the Kaiwa while. So he was playing advantage to Tauranga. And they go for taku mohio kei te pirangi rātau kia kiki I tētahi kiki hāmene. So they decide to go for the penalty kick. Which we haven't seen a bit in the Super 8 competition as well as the Central North Island competition. Usually team goes for the try, but they have so much confidence in their kicker that they know this could be an easy 3 points for them. Nathan Theron here. Oh, wow, what a kick. Me pehia e kore ai, how would you not just decide to go for a kick? Kia puta te ihu mā ngā tatauranga e waru I tēnei wā. And they, Tauranga Boys. No kone ai ki te kaiwa wau. What a strong scrum here from Tauranga Boys. And they are Turangatane. And a penalty goes towards Tauranga. I te mea kaore I te tere. Te whakawātia ngā kaitākoro a te kapa o Turangatane. Nō reira I hāmene hia rātau e te kaiwawa. Not out though, so Gisborne Boys he tūpuna noa tā rātau. Another penalty. Kore ai te mohi o hea I perai. Tauranga Boys e pātata atu ana. Ki te rārangi piro. He's dangerous. And they... Ooh. That was Tommy there, the fullback for Tauranga. Ko tatahipa ngā meneti rua te kau, hei tohu I kei te halfway tātou. I thought that Mary Symes may have stopped, but kua whaihua no ai a Tauranga College, too strong with the ball. Kia piki whakarunga ai ki te rua te kau ta Tauranga. And they get the kick as well. Rua te kamarua ngā tatauranga ki tā Turangatane whetū. Halfway now. Oh, what a take. And they are Tauranga Boys. Ka whai wahi atu a Turangatane ki te pōro. Kaore I tika ngā mahi e ai ki te kaiwa wao. Rei kua mate anō rātau ki te whakarite a rātau anō. And shorthand penalty to Tauranga Kaore tika te mahi rutu. No reira ka whai wahi atu a Tauranga ki te pōro. What a kick. And chased as well. But they get the penalty, Turangatane.
No time.
Nice throw in. Max Hammond, the captain for Turangatane. Bit of a pop pass to Lease Tupou. Ka hoatu kia Rory Fukushima Hall. Kei reira e Cohen e tatari ana ki te pōro. Great passage of play here from Gisborne Boys High School. Manoa nei roroi. Anei. Wairua toa kaori e ke knocked on e ai ki te kaiwa wao. Got had passages of brilliance here. Engari, ko te mate ke just can't kare tae e rātou te tutuki I tā rātou e pirangi ai.
Wait, coming this side. Man.
Nei Tauranga College. Great take. Oh. Luan Ludwig. And they Manawanui Stewart. Kia Storm to Thea. Kei reira kaua ne tatari ana. To Mary Syme. Turangatane e whakawhiti te rārangi piro. Naya Tauranga in their own 22, wanting to get out of that 22. Turangatane me te pōro kua hipanga menete rua tekau māwaru I tēnei wā. Tauranga, kei a rātou te pōro I tēnei wā, wanting to get out of their own half. Hanei, a turangatane, ia tātou e pātata atu ana ai ki te miniti toru te kau. And it is a try to Gisborne Boys. Nā tēnei kai tākaro I moi tonu ia tātou.
Boys, they're really worried about like getting out of this stuff. This is like he was face one. Look, boys, he's there.
Nā, kua whai, kua piki ake mā te tekau, ki te tekau mā whāta Tauranga. E whai ana i te kapa o Tauranga. Mā ngata Tauranga e waru. No kone ai ki te kaiwa wao, no reira ka whai wahi atu a Tauranga Boys ki te pōro.
Beautiful steal, Maddie. I want another Yeah, let's go. Let's go, JB. Up, boy. Up, JB.
Wahipa, ngā mene te tore tikau mā whai nāi nei. Pāta tānau tātou ki te haurua o tēnei tukinga.
What's JB what? Crouch! Five! Nice one! Six!
Anei te wharupeke o Tauranga Boys. Tommy, dangerous player, Tommy. Every time he touches the ball, just pure class. And creates stuff out of nothing as well. Also explosive acceleration. Engari, Gisborne Boys have the ball. I believe the referee is still playing advantage. Turangatane e pātatātu ana ki te rārangi piro I tēnei wā. Stormed with there. They'll be able to smell it, that's how close they are. And nā kua whai hura. And just like that, they are 3 points behind. Perfect timing as well. E pātatātu ana te wehenga rua. And perfect timing. Ko te wehengaru ai tēnei wā mā te kotahi tatau. It is Tauranga Boys College who had a really boisterous start at the start. Engari kua hoki mai a Tauranga tāne. Kia au tonu mai e hoama e haere aki nei, ko te haurua tuaru ai kainamu mai nei.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha i taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whaitake aku whia ko Pauri hei whakamana i taku ana mata.
Mā tō raurau ki MāORI Plus.
Well, I can't wait any longer. You know my love is on fire. Oh, yeah. Come on and give it to me.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through a tough time. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved with it. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home, every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
You might know us as rugby players.
Or that out-the-gate couple that pop up on your socials.
But what you might not know, holy shit, we're about to have a baby. We need help.
You need help, I'm alright.
Sheree and Gillies ki MāORI Plus me whakaata Māori.
Hey. Sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MāORI Plus on your devices.
Nau mai hoki mai e te iwi. Welcome back to Turanga Nui a Kiwa. Gisborne Boys High School. Field 1 here at the former rectory of Gisborne Boys and Gisborne Girls. He kura kaupapa Māori nai nei. Kamutu he whare kura nai nei. Engari tēnei wā, it is a 1-point game between Tauranga Boys College and Gisborne Boys High School. Tauranga Boys College have had a majority of the ball showing not only individual brilliance but also teamwork. And they scored 2 tries within 2 minutes in the first half. Aha kua tērā, kua upoko pakaru Gisborne Boys High School, so this is Tauranga Boys, who are leading 22 points to 21. They'll be happy with the way they played in the first half. few passages of brilliance. Players to mention from this team is their fullback, Tommy, also their right wing, Nathan Theron. When I think of players that have done exceptionally well, but they've been working really well as a team as well. Communication within Tauranga Boys has been outstanding. And for this team here, Gisborne Boys High School, despite being down by 2 tries, they scored in the final seconds of the first half. And you can tell that they're playing for each other, and every player has contributed to their 21 points in the first half. It also helps that they've got a very supportive home crowd here in their final game. I tēnei tau tākaro. Kaore kore he kupu āwhina, kua tohaina ki ngā kapa e rua nei. I'm excited to see what's going to happen in the second half. E whitiki nāna tātou, whitiki ana tātou e tamanui te rā. It's about 11 degrees here in Tauranga, and it was raining this morning, but the sun is out. First mistake for Gisborne Boys in the first half. And nā kua kuhu mai koe tahi kai tākoro I te pai hihiri. We've seen Trace Taikato Smith make his way to the right wing. Finn Curtis to that player I was telling you about, Tommy McCoy. Very dangerous with the ball. He is confidence personified. Engari kua whaihua, a Gisborne Boys High School. And nei tūranga tāne me te pōro engari ai ki te kai wawao knock on.
Move up, mana! Move up!
And nei ko Cohen Satiu no te kapa Tauranga Boys. He backed himself. He had great vision. Nā kua whakawhiti ia I te rārangi piro mō te wā tuatahi I tēnei haurua tuarua. Kia whaihu ai a Tauranga Boys. Rua te kauma whitu tatauranga ki tā Gisborne Boys High School. Rua te kauma tahi I tēnei wā tāri ai ki te aimena kai ke te kiki hāmene. Te kiki turu ki aroha mai. A te kaitākoro nei a Machu te maipi. Auare ake.
One here, one here.
Rua tekau ma whitu tatauranga ki tā tūranga tāne ko rua tekau ma tahi. I whakamuai. I pā whakamuai tērā pōro.
Let's go, boy. Let's go, JB.
Nei, Tauranga tāne. They look to the right side. And they continue on the right. Great offload, Gisborne boys. A great understanding between teammates as well. They keep that momentum going. Referee was playing advantage, so they will get a penalty here. Last time we saw a penalty here, Tauranga Boys College went for the kick. The Ahuane though might go for a try. Naya Tauranga tāne, strong with the ball. You can hear the cheers from the crowd. Pātatana ki te rārangi piro, they can see the line right there. Referee's right there too. What a defence though. Tauranga boys putting everything on the line. Watu ki tētahi o ngā paumua. It was lost, but it was lost backwards. No reira ka haere tonu. Te tākaro. This is probably the 8th phase of play now. Surely this time. No, Tauranga boys doing a great job. Fast out of that ruck as well. They know they're there. Oh, and they make it. Junior Senivono from the left-hand side off the field. I would probably say that's one of the best tries we've seen, a best teamwork try we've seen. It's rugby played as a team. Everyone did their job. Excellent support play. One carry sets up the next. I think every single player contributed to that try. Kia piki whakarunga ai Tauranga Tāne. And they could potentially take the lead for the first time in this match. Ko te pātaia, mena rānei kai ike tēnei kiki turuki. Engari auare ake, no reira, it is a 1-point ball game here. This is a tight game, me te whānau. Neither side wants to blink first. Nei atu rangatāne e whaiwhai ana mā te kotahi tatauranga.
Half back, half back, half back! Half back! Half back!
Hold here, Trace! Trace!
E whakahirahira tēnei, me te whānau.
I'm holding! Can't come off!
Ka marua mene te kwahi pai nai nei.
Rumble! 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 Rumble!
Ka mātore mene te kuataha ina e nei. Ana e pupuri tonu ana a tauranga i te pōro. E pātata ana hoki ki te rārangi piro. Great defence, Gizzy boys. Nate McDonald there. To Khan Charlton, captain of this Tauranga Boys team. Perepeta Bidwa. Kei reira e tatari ana Nate McDonald. Pātata ana ki te rārangi piro. Nā kua whaihua. A Tauranga Boys. Kua whiki whakarunga ki te torutika marua ta Tauranga.
Defense, win the orange zone. Win the orange zone.
Te kaha tērā no reira. Rua te kaimā ono ki te toru te kaimā rua. Kaimā ono mene te kwahipa.
On me, Rory.
Te kaimā whiti mene te kwahipa. Ko te āpika i tēnei wāmanga ta Tauranga e ono.
Jerry. Time!
Go, Fun, go! Go, get up! Contest! Go forward!
Nei ko te kura o te rangatāne. Tauranga all just slipping out of their hands. Engari, kei te pupuri tonu rātou i te pōro. Nei, ko te rangatāne, up the guts. Turnover though to Tauranga Boys, great defence. Nei, ki te kaiwawao I hapa tētahi, no reira, ka whai wāhi atu tu rangatāne ki te pōro. Nei, kita tētahi āputa I muri. Whoa, and a great chase too. Nathan Theron I pērā hoki I te haurua tuatahi. Engari, ai ki te kaiwawao, kāri tika ngā mahi a Tauranga Boys. So Gisborne Boys, they want to kick this as far as possible. Rāwe te taha ārai, they'll also get the throw in as well. And nā kua tīmata, te ua, ai ki te heke I konei. It's cold here. Nō reira, if you are watching from home or outside of Gisborne, once again, welcome to this coverage. Super 8, first 15 Super 8 competition. Koe nei ko te rauna whakamutinga o tēnei whakataetai. Nā parahuti o te ana te haere, Seremaya, Taliki Kikoro, ka hoatu ki a Saul Osborne, ka whai hua hoki a Tauranga Boys. I mene te rua te kaumārua o tēnei haurua tuarua. Kai maono meneti e toi ana I tēnei tukinga. Mei tūrangatane me te poro. To the right. Wa whai harmony anō Tauranga Boys. Whai te kikira kia whai wāhi atu ki te haurua a tūrangatāne. Aha kua ngā tatauranga e mea ana, ko Tauranga Boys tērā, e arahi marika ana I te tukinga nei. It's been a fairly even contest, ko te mate ke. It is Tauranga Boys that have made use of the advantages, ngā wāhi, ngā wā I pātata rātou ki te rārangi piro. Got 2 converted tries, ka whai hua anō ai a tūrangatāne. Engari, tēnei wā ko Tauranga Boys College tērā. There. Whai wāhi atu ki te poro. I think that was Tommy Veron. Whai wā anō ai. So time off at the moment. 27 minutes gone in this second half. Still a bit of time here.
Trace! Trace!
Gisborne Boys see a gap here to the left-hand side of the wing. Kicked out on the full. I reira te whakaro. Would have been a blinder had it been inside. Engari ka whai wahi atu a Tauranga ki te pōro I tēnei wā. Nei aturanga tāne ki te whakawhiti rātau I te rāringi piro kia rua ngā wā kamutu kia riwhai a rātau ngā kiki turuki e rua. Ka arahi anō rātau I te tukinga nei. Tauranga Boys with the ball. And they Finn Curtis to Tommy McCoy. This is Tommy Veron. Quick hands here, Tauranga Boys. Ngari kua tangi te wihara at te kaiwawau e mea ana. I raru tētahi ngā kaitākuro no te kapa o Tauranga. No reira ka whaihu anō ai at Gisborne Boys High School. Totari ana kia whai wāhi atu. Te rutu nei. Owen. Ka hara mai pēnei mai te pōro. To the left-hand side. But it is turnover. Great defence, Tauranga Boys. Tommy Veron, Khan Charlton, the captain. But if an offload, Seramaya, Sally Kikoro, that might be the try at Te Whānau. Kia tuai tēnei kapa, I te rua I te mineti, toro te kaimarua. What a try. Kia piki whakarungai at Tauranga Boys College, whātika mawha ki tā Gisborne Boys High School, 26. They were connected across the park, great understanding between teammates, and it was Seremaya Saliki Koro to cross this try line. Nathan Theron Goia te kaitākoro kua kiki ngā kiki turuki mō te katoa o tēnei tukinga. Gisborne on point too. His team trust his skills. Me pēhi ai kore ai. Slot right through there. Whetū minutes e toi ana I tēnei tukinga. With 7 minutes to go. 20 points are needed, and it's always possible, engari, just slowly making their way further and further. Kia wehe ai te Pātiki nei me tētahi tuahanga. The scoreboard may suggest one story, but there's still plenty to play for here. Great follow through. And just like that, Gizzy Boys are in this dangerous position with Tauranga Boys College. Great kick. Ke konei e tatari ana. Ko te whirupeke a te kapa o Tauranga Tāne. He's got the support as well. We'll get the penalty. Ono mineti e toi ana. Pima minutes here, toia nei tēnei tukinga. Gisborne Boys with the ball, engari ai ki te kai wawao. Kaori tika, kaori tō tika. Te kuru, no reira ka whai wāhi atu. Tauranga Boys. Ai ki te pōro. Nei a Tauranga Tāne e kaha ārai ana i ngā i a rātau no Tauranga kick it out. And that is it. E te whānau ko Tauranga Boys College tērā. Kua toa i tēnei tukinga, te tukinga whakamutunga o te rauna nei. Whā te kauma ono ki te rua te kauma ono i konei i Tauranga Nui a Kiwa. Atu i Tauranga Nui a Kiwa nei, e te tī, e te tā, hei kona.